5 o'clock of the day of the blizzard, and it's still snowing, and it's still very cold and windy and blustery, but it's not as much of a whiteout anymore. The whiteout part's going away. There's our neighbor's car. There's a huge snowdrift right in front of our house. I don't even know how deep that is. That's got to be at least 4 or 5 feet deep. Yeah, it has to be. You can barely see the stop sign over there. There's the street. What's left of it. This is our front porch, driveway, stairs that were perfectly plowed yesterday. Poor Michael did so much work yesterday, and now it's all completely covered. We laughed. We're like, there's no way it could have been completely covered again, but it was. It has been. So, look at our neighbors. Look at that. The snow's all the way in up to the front of the house, near the window, the main window. Same over here on this side. I'm sure it's on ours too, but I can't turn around to take a look at it. Look at all that. The wind is still kicking in. It's really cold. You can see some serious wind going on over there. Some gusts off that guy's house a little bit. It is cold. And pushing